Good morning, Paul. Georgie from Allendale. It's August 31st, the end of the month, and we've got Friday morning here looking us in the face. So futures are a bit lower this morning, a little profit taking here after the Russian announcement that they would not ban exports, and the statement by the ag minister there says that they will not ban exports as long as he's in power. So that is giving confidence here and putting a little pressure on the wheat market and all grains here as they've traders back away from it. But the supportive factor that has bounced beans off of their lows this morning, put corn only slightly lower, is the anticipation of Fed Chairman Bernanke's announcement that will take place at around 9 o'clock this morning. He'll be giving a speech to the central banking conference in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. That is a big focus right now. The anticipation there is that he will make some announcement about a QE3 or give some kind of an indication that there will be some quantitative easing in the future, and that's what trade's looking for. I think if we do not get that kind of rhetoric out of Bernanke, we could see some change in direction here, some profit taking, some easing out of positions going into a long weekend. Other news in the grains, main news is Isaac, who's moving up into Arkansas here this morning and dropping a lot of moisture there. The anticipation that it'll be heading into Missouri, southeastern Iowa, then across Illinois, Indiana, and into Ohio, right through some of the driest areas, dropping anywhere from 1 to 3 inches in general. There could be local anywhere from 3 to 5 inches amounts in certain areas. So we've got that to look forward to as over the weekend and as we begin trading next week. We've got a holiday on Monday, so grain markets are closed, and most markets are closed on Monday until 7 p.m. on Monday evening is when the Chicago Board of Trade grains will begin trading again. The other news is what we're waiting for out of the EU. Draghi, the central bank chairman, European Central Bank chairman there, is expected to make some type of announcement in midweek. The anticipation there is also on some easing to help support the euro, keep the European community together. So that some major things still to happen here in the next hours to 3 or 4 days that could impact markets and market attitude, and we've got to watch for that. We've also got the results of the Allendale yield survey that'll be out on September 4th, 7:30 in the morning. We expect to make a release there. Watch for that. You do have a few more hours to help us out and get any kind of numbers that you haven't put in or haven't given us yet on the survey would be much appreciated. We've had a very good turnout so far. Any more information is always helpful in helping make an accurate assessment. So those numbers will be tabulated over the weekend, and we'll get those to you on Tuesday morning at 7:30. In the livestock trade, cash cattle still at a standstill. The bids and ask are about $4 to $6 apart in the south, 117 to 118 on the Packers bids. Feedlots are offering at 121, 122 actually to 123. We expect that they probably will come together here at the unchanged or steady money from last week at the 120 to 121 level. Cutout values were lower again yesterday in beef, down 9 cents in choice, down 92 cents in select. Pork cutout values were also lower for many days in a row here, down 99 cents. We expect that with this high feed cost that we're going to see continued liquidation in the pork industry, and that's putting pressure on us. We've also got a short production week next week, and that's hampering any new retail sales or any support on that side of the equation. Also giving packers a reason to be a little bit non-aggressive in buying hogs for next week. So that's what we got to face there. The funds have been buying in the futures here in the last few days, providing some support. The discount of futures to cash is also giving us a bit of support in the pork complex. So if you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. We've got a lot of things going on here in the next several days. We can help you set up some strategies that you can work through the weekend and manage your risk that way. So you can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, safe weekend, and we'll talk to you on Tuesday morning. Thank you.